In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the auto dubbing in YouTube videos. So whenever you try to watch a video in YouTube, it just automatically dub the videos in your language, but you want to hear the video with the original language. Here I have opened a video with auto dub. Now there is no option to turn off the auto dub for every videos, but you can do this for individual videos. So whenever you watch a video, you just need to go to the settings option with the gear icon, click on this, and you would find this audio track option. So just click on the audio track and you can see this is the original. So if the video is originally dubbed into one of this language, you can just choose this language and the audio track will be changed to that language. But if you want to hear the video in the original language, this video is English and this is the original track, and now this video will run the original language, which is not the auto dub option. So in mobile devices, it's exactly the same option. If you just pause the video, you can see this the gear icon in the right corner, tap on it, and here you can find the audio track option. Just tap on this and select the audio that you want to hear, or you can just select the original, which is the English, and you can see this is the original audio. So that's it guys, this is the video that I want to share with you, how to turn off or disable the AI auto dub in your YouTube videos. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and thank you for watching.